After packaging beer in a keg, the brewer's job is only half done. Draft lines are crucial elements of any beer dispensing system. Beer in a keg needs to be appropriately stored and handled before it is properly dispensed. Of equal importance is the good cleaning and maintenance of the draft lines, which require a consistent and regular cleaning regime. It is recommended to clean and sanitize draft systems regularly with a minimum frequency of every 2 weeks. Otherwise, the lines will become home to different microorganisms such as bacteria and wild yeast. The static cleaning method is used for draft lines that are shorter than 5 meters. This video will provide step-by-step standard operating procedure for cleaning a short draft system. Fill the cleaning canister with 20 liters of domestic hot water. Disconnect the couplers from the kegs of the lines to be cleaned. Disengage the handle by pressing down and pulling outwards at the same time. Once the handle is disengaged, twist the coupler counterclockwise. Connect the keg couplers to the cleaning canister containing hot water. Align the tabs on the canister with the coupler. Twist clockwise until hand tight. Engage the handle by pressing down until it locks in place. Vent the air out of all 4 draft line foam on beer detectors by unscrewing the top valve and pressing the vent release mechanism until the chamber is full of liquid. Once the float mechanism is floating, close the top valve of the FOB. The chamber should now be filled with diluted beer and water, and the plastic mechanism on the inside should be floating. Flush beer from the lines with hot water from the cleaning canister. This is done by opening the faucets until you see clear water flowing out of the lines. Once flushing is complete, close the faucets and uncouple the cleaning canister from the lines. Place the keg couplers in a bucket to prevent spillage. Depressurize and then empty the cleaning canister from the remaining water. Fill the canister with hot tap water at 40 to 60 degrees Celsius and then add caustic cleaning solution. Recouple the canister filled with hot caustic solution to the lines being cleaned. Vent the air out of all draft line foam on beer detectors. Dispense 2 liters of liquid out of each faucet to flush out the water and pack the line with cleaning caustic solution. Uncouple the cleaning canister. Place the keg couplers in the bucket with caustic cleaning solution and soak for 20 minutes. Remove the tap handles from the faucets. Open the faucets and drain any remaining cleaning solution. Using the faucet wrench, unscrew the faucet holding nut to release the faucets. Clean each faucet using a brush. After taking the faucets apart, continue the cleaning process with the brush. Soak the faucets, beer lines, and keg couplers in caustic solution for 20 minutes. Faucets caps and growler-filled tubes should also be soaked in caustic along with the faucets. Use the wire brush to gently clean the interior and exterior surfaces of the faucet inlets on the tap station. After 20 minutes of soaking, take the faucets, growler-filled tubes, and faucet caps from the bucket with caustic. Rinse the faucets and other parts with warm water and reattach them to the draft system by rotating the faucet wrench in a counterclockwise direction. Rinse the keg couplers by pouring water on them with a pitcher. Have a bucket below to catch the waste. Depressurize the cleaning canister, empty it, and rinse it to pH neutral. Then fill it with hot water. Recouple the cleaning canister to the lines being cleaned. Vent the air out of the draft line foam on beer detectors. Dispense 2 liters out of each faucet to flush out the caustic and rinse the lines to pH neutral. If performing a monthly cleaning, the draft line needs to be cleaned again using an acid-based cleaner. Uncouple and depressurize the canister. Fill the canister with 20 liters of treated water and 100 milliliters of peracetic acid. Couple the canister full of peracetic acid solution and vent the beer lines through the foam on beer detectors. Dispense 2 liters out of each faucet to flush out the water and pack the lines with peracetic acid solution. Confirm the solution is acidic using a pH strip. Let the pH solution sit for at least 15 minutes. Uncouple the cleaning canister. Recouple the beer kegs to their appropriate lines. Reattach the tap handles to the faucets and flush the draft lines with beer. Ensure the area is clean and tidy. Rinse all the surfaces of the tap station that were splashed with chemicals. Spray the faucet ends with PA solution and cap them. Draft line is now ready for serving great tasting beer.